how to create two bullet columns in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's first input our text in here using our bullets. Now that we have our bullets, let's say that we want to separate this text into two columns. So let's go ahead to the Layout tab. Now click on Columns and make sure that you select two. And you'll see here up on the ruler that we now have two spaces, which indicates that we have two columns. Now let's say that we want to move a separate part of this text into the other side. So what we can do is click on the end of the text that you want to move into the next column. Now click on Breaks and click on Column Break. And as you can see, everything after the cursor that we clicked on the left has now been moved to the right. And that is how you can create two bulleted column lists in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.